sister is going to be making some slime. So first ingredient is flour, olive oil, water. Here's a color with a little makeup. And that's the slime that last time that she made. And then that one, she made that one about 2 days ago. So I'm going to be videoing her doing this. And I may have to pause it a few times because she may need like tell me something. I don't know, but I will pause it a few times. So you can see her bowl from last time is a little messy. But yeah. So we have this little platform because my mom doesn't want our yard to get messed up. We're getting outside because we do not want to so yeah. Oh man,
there's the slime you made.
Got on my shoe. No. Yeah, this is what she uses to scrape it like that, and then you see it comes up, and then she pours it in her slime.
All right, now first you need the
flour. Yes. Oh, she has her spoon over there. It's how much flour you get. How much slime you get.
How much flour you want is how much slime you get. Not how much flour you get, it's how much flour you get.
That's funny. And she's just like mixing it up a little because there's like little balls in there.
Chunks of flour, not balls.
Yeah, well, still.
Really
Just shut up. I'm going to zoom in on the bowl that she's doing so y'all can see. So now she's just pouring the water. That's the next step. That's why she's doing that. And I guess she's not going to use her spoon. I guess she just feels the use to use her hands. Or nope, she likes using her spoon. Man, we couldn't get a little dangerous.
This is edible slime too.
Yeah, you can eat that because you have all the stuff you can eat. I mean, you can eat flour, not like by itself, but you know, you can eat flour, you can eat olive oil, and you can eat water, but you cannot eat that.
Oil, that's vegetable oil.
Or vegetable oil, but you cannot eat that. And you can drink water, so. But you can't eat that, so you can't eat hers. But you can eat mine.
Hers is over there.
Yeah, mine's over there. But yeah.
So you see it turns.
My mom hates slime, but she was like, if you do it outside, that's fine by me. Now she's pouring her vegetable oil. That's just like really hot form. That's what the vegetable oil does.
Now I'm going in with my hand.
Now? She just needs to knead it so it can more flour. Maybe. Wait, look at that. Look at me. Look at me. She got flour on her nose. It's like all over your face. I'm not even joking. So she has it in her hand. And you see the olive oil, what it pretty much does is it lets you hold the or vegetable, whatever. I'm calling it olive oil. The olive oil pretty much just lets you hold it, and it just makes it in the bowl or the form of it. And I don't know what color she's using for that, but yeah. It's a surprise. And this is my channel, but I like my sister to be with me. That's why I'm showing.
I'm gonna need this one. So
that's why sometimes I'm showing my face and mostly her face.
You wanna need this? Why I don't?
No.
So it doesn't dry up.
Not
sticky.
so this is not sticky yet. So I'm kneading her other slime.
So it doesn't get real sticky and dried up.
Yeah, because I don't like it when slime gets dried up. Most people don't even care because they can make slime whenever because they're grown-ups. Like, why would grown-ups want to make slime? Bruh. That's the stupidest thing. I lie a lot.
This one's really good.
That one's like the best she's ever made. That one is the one, see the boxes under? The slime in there is not good at all. All it does is stick to your fingers. I literally had to wash my hands for like an hour earlier. I'm not even joking though.
So it came to its consistency?
Well this slime is not that stretchy because, it's made out of flour. But yeah. Bailey, do you want to say anything?
Yes, I can. So when it comes to this, like, really stretchy consistency, you just add more flour to make it not sticky. And then Once you add the flour, if you have some left, just pour it back in so you don't waste, which I missed.
Because this is my sister's. Like, this ain't not my mom's. Because my mom's sister gave it to my sister, not my mom. So this is my sister's.
And that's just dried up slime that we used
earlier.
Yeah.
So it's time for the reveal of what she's going to use. So I'm going to pause the video until she picks her color and puts it in there until it's that color. So peace until we see ya. Peace. Okay, so I want y'all to comment down below and I want y'all to guess what color it is. I'm going to give y'all a little zoom in on it.
Probably can't see because I'm still working on it.
But, yeah. So, yeah.
Get out a dark blue.
There's the color.
Sorry.
It's okay. She didn't mean to say that, but it's okay because I was going to tell y'all anyway. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. So, like, here's the mess. The last video, I did not post it, but I was sitting right there. And it is spotless because I am a spotless girl.
No, we just flipped the box.
I know. So, thanks for watching, guys. This video. I'm going to tell the ingredients again. There was flour, water, and olive oil. And if you want, if you have makeup or any kind of, like, food coloring, anything will work. Food coloring, makeup, anything. If you have that, you can change the color of that. She likes to use makeup. Our food coloring doesn't really work. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Peace. Bruh.